What does America sound like? Well, in 1893, for Katherine Lee Bates, America sounded a lot like spacious skies, amber waves of grain, and purple mountains' majesty. Happy 4th of July from Colorado, where the lyrics to America the Beautiful were written right up there on top of one of our most famous 14ers, Pikes Peak. In 1893, Katherine, who was a visiting English professor at Colorado College, visited the summit of Pikes Peak, and with these majestic sights on display, these words began to form in her mind.
Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountains' majesty above the fruited plain.
Her now famous poem was published in 1895 to commemorate the 4th of July and quickly caught the public's attention. Years later, in 1910, combined with a tune composed by organist and choir director Samuel Ward, America the Beautiful as we know it today was first published. So as you sing this classic hymn this 4th of July, just know these same sights that inspired Katherine Lee Bates 130 years ago are still waiting to be experienced here in Colorado today. There is a reason Colorado is consistently ranked one of the top states in the country that you want to move to. I'm Amy Berglund with Mile High Modern, wishing you a fabulous and musical 4th of July from Pikes Peak, Colorado.